Hi, I am Uğur from Huawei Developers and welcome to the Huawei tutorial series. The faster your user signs into your app, the faster they adopt it. There is no quicker and safer way to do this than with their Huawei IDs based on two-factor authentication. Access the Huawei ecosystem of users with seamless sign-ins from different devices and grow your user base. Account Kit provides you with simple, secure, and quick sign-in and authorization functions instead of entering accounts and passwords and waiting for authentication. Users can just tap the Sign in with Huawei ID button to quickly and securely sign into your app with their Huawei IDs. It saves users time from long authorization periods, and its two-factor authentication process keeps users' information safe. Users can quickly and conveniently sign into apps with their Huawei IDs. After granting an initialized access permission, in addition, one Huawei ID can be used to sign into all apps. It serves more than 190 locations worldwide and supports more than 70 languages with up to 900 million users. Users can quickly log into your apps via their Huawei ID. HMS Account Kit has three important functions. The first one is one-click sign-in, the second one is fast user authorization, and finally easy SMS verification. One-click sign-in signs Huawei ID holders into your app without manual login or verification. Fast user authorization helps you quickly get users' authorization to access their information. Easy SMS verification lets your app get SMS codes either automatically or when authorized. And features. In this section, I will give some detail about three most important features of HMS Account Kit. Quick sign-in allows user to sign into your app using Huawei IDs without having to go through the registration and verification process. QR code sign-in enables secure and convenient access on smart devices that scan our QR code. Secure sign-in safeguards user accounts with two-factor authentication. In this section, we will talk about advantages of Huawei Mobile Services Account Kit. All scenario access connects user from a wide range of devices including phones, tablets, and smart displays. Global coverage serves over 900 million users from more than 190 countries and regions worldwide and supports more than 70 languages. High security guarantees two-factor authentication, real-time risk prediction, and GDPR compliance. There are some terms we will see frequently when using Huawei Mobile Services Account Kit. These are authentication, the process or action of proving or showing something to be true, genuine, or valid. Authorization, making a decision about whether you have rights to access to a resource or not. Access token, token used to access user resources at any time. Authorization code, a code containing a unique string and an app secret which is used for one-time use authorization on OAuth server. Silent sign-in, authorization is required only at the first sign-in to your app using an ID. Subsequent sign-ins do not require any authorization. Account Kit provides all of the following data and more information: display name, given name, family name, email address, ID token, avatar URI, gender, and country code. Users can quickly and conveniently sign into apps with their Huawei IDs. When signing into an app using a Huawei ID for the first time, a user needs to authorize the app. Then, the user can sign into the app with one tap. With one Huawei ID, a user can sign into all apps on all devices. Such are the technical requirements for using the Huawei Mobile Services Account Kit in your application. Android Studio version should be 3 or later. Java Development Kit version should be 1.8 or later. Minimum Software Development Kit version should be 17. Target SDK version and Compile SDK version should be 29. And test device, a Huawei phone running EMUI 3 or later, or a non-Huawei phone running Android 4.4 or later. Firstly, you need a developer account. Secondly, you have to configure app information in AppGallery Connect. Then add Huawei Mobile Services Account Kit library and add permissions. We will follow these steps for configure app information in AppGallery Connect. Let's continue with AppGallery Connect. Firstly, sign into AppGallery Connect. Click My Project section and select your application name here. After selecting the project, you will see the Project Settings page. Click the Manage APIs tab on this page. Thanks to this step, you can activate or deactivate all of the Huawei Mobile Services kits for your application. Activate the Huawei Mobile Services Account Kit in this step and turn back to Project Settings page. Set default data processing location and fingerprint key. And next, download your AG Connect Service JSON file and add to your application app folder. Now we need to add Huawei Mobile Services Account Kit dependencies to Android Studio project and add AG Connect Services JSON file to app directory. To use Huawei Mobile Services Account Kit in your Android project, you must add the required library to the build Gradle file in your project's app directory and click the Sync Now button. You can access the current version of the library from Huawei's official documents. In this step, we need internet permissions. You need to internet permissions for using Huawei Mobile Services Account Kit. For this, add these permissions to your Android manifest XML file. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.